In this video we're going to be talking about finding area, and in a previous video we talked about how finding area used squares, and we counted squares and we did some other things, but in this video we're going to cut right to the chase and talk about the formula for finding area. So the formula for area is area equals length times width. Using this picture that we used in the previous video, we can see that this farmland is divided up into different sections of squares. If we started at the bottom and go to the right, or to left, but we're used to left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know that the length of this particular rectangle that we're using is 6 miles. And I'll go ahead and go around there. And remember, anytime we draw in math, we're drawing it perfectly, even if it maybe doesn't look perfect. So the length was 6 miles. The width here, the width is 1, 2, 3, 4 miles. And if we counted all the squares together, it would be 24 squares. This is 24 squares. So that would be 24 square miles. 24 square miles. Looking at the 24, the 4, and the 6, how do those numbers fit together? Hopefully you're thinking in your head, well, 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 4 equals 24. And that is exactly what our formula here is. Area equals length times width. To determine the area, we find the length, we find the width, we multiply them together, knowing that we determine area using squares. And one of the things that we do when we're writing figuring area, and I can write it differently, 6 miles times 4 miles equals 24 miles. And then we put a little exponent 2 up there. And that 2, we can say square miles or miles squared. And the reason we have the 2 here is because of our miles that we have here. We have a mile times a mile, which would be miles squared. So that's a quick video on finding area. Area equals length times width. If you have any questions, make sure you let your teacher know. And have a good afternoon, or evening, or morning.